Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this neon chain marble. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For the chain marble, I'm going to be using 3 neons from Color Club. The green is Wee Lyman, the blue is Chelsea Girl, and the purple is Mrs. Robinson. I've already done my decals and they'll be drying while I apply my base color. And for that, I'm going to be using Holo Taco, not Milky White. I'm going to be making my decals on my miracle mat here. Once I've got the polishes laid out, I'm going to be dragging through using this piece of chain. And I'm going to be trying to make the decals fairly large so that I can get at least 2 fingers out of each one. So I'm going to start by laying down some of the green, then the blue, followed by the purple, and then drag through with the chain. Once your decals are dry, you can use a tool to start carefully peeling them up at the edges, then set them aside and cut them into nail-sized pieces. If your base color is still tacky, you may be able to just apply your decals right on top, but I'm going to be using a little bit of Holo Taco long-lasting base just to make sure it has something to grip to. So I'm going to use a bit of that on each nail. Not necessarily a full coat, just enough so that, like I said, the decal has something to grab onto. I've got the decals kind of trimmed down and laid out on a lid, and I'm just going to apply them a nail at a time. I'll be lining the green kind of up on the edge. Make sure it's positioned where you want it, and then I'll be trimming around the edges with my small pair of scissors. Once I've applied and trimmed all of the decals, I'm going to go ahead and do some closer cleanup with my usual small brush dipped in acetone. Once you're done with cleanup, you can finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I originally saw this technique on Instagram, and I'll include a link to that down in the description box, but I just didn't expect my first attempt to turn out this cool. I do credit that to quite a bit of testing before I got started, and if you'd like to see that testing as well as the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. I'm personally very, very thrilled, and I can't wait to try this technique again. But I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.